Hey guys, welcome to the start of a new weekly vlog. Just about to straighten my hair. I'm not really sure what to do with myself today, but I've got ready, done my makeup. I did a little half an hour workout this morning, which was so hard. I don't actually think I've ever sweated so much in my entire life. I'm really stuck with work at the moment. I just don't know what I should be doing. And I've got so many ideas of things to do and I don't know what to start with, which is so annoying. Take some pics around the house, maybe write some blog posts. I need to photograph some bits for some content as well. I've been into straightening my hair recently, which is weird because normally I prefer a curl, but there's something kind of cool about straight hair. Maybe it's because the 90s trend is coming back in, isn't it? I wanted to tell you guys quickly about something that happened over the past week and that I have been looking at in a completely different way since talking to the lovely Lydia Millen briefly on Instagram about it. So basically, I went to a barbecue last week. It was my first time like out meeting new people since way before the start of COVID. Like, you know, one of those barbecue parties where you don't really know anyone there, and yeah, you just get chatting to new people and you find out about them, and it just felt so nice and so normal. And we both came away from that barbecue being like, that was so nice. Anyway, it was brought to my attention that something was written about me on one of those trashy hate threads, and it basically said that they met me recently at a social event. They didn't want to say where because it would give them away. It has. And basically joining in on all these girls bitching about me because apparently I'm really awful. Yeah, so basically this girl had met me at this party. We'd had a little chat, told her a little bit about my job, and then afterwards she went home, looked me up online, found this hate thread, decided to engage with really negative comments about me online. And I was just like, well, firstly, it's really obvious where this was and kind of who it was, because I haven't been to any other social situations. And I wasn't upset about it, but I was kind of just like, whoa, girls are so bitchy and judgmental. Like, I thought that having met me in real life, someone would realise that I am actually a human being and like get to know me for me rather than the me that I am online, because this is my job. I wasn't upset by it because that stuff doesn't upset me anymore. But I spoke to Lydia Millen about it, who herself has been on a really great journey with like her mental health and her boundaries, living her work life online but not letting it get to her as much as it has. And I definitely like have been through periods where I really let what people were saying about me online affect my day-to-day and my mental health. Unless you've experienced what that's like, it's really difficult to understand how much it can really affect you. But anyway, Lydia said something really great to me, and it was basically along the lines of imagine going through a pandemic and not meeting anyone new in a year and a half, and then having that opportunity to meet people and immediately judging them and not getting to know the real person or experience my magic, basically. And I read that and it almost made me cry, because I was like, wow, I hadn't thought about it like that. Like, after a year and a half of not having normal human interaction and to not meet new people and to really have our lives go on standstill, like to learn how much people and family and friends can be important and to learn to be really kind. Like, the last year's been really difficult. For then someone to still go and engage with that kind of behaviour, yeah, I just thought it was really sad. And it definitely shows more about that person who wrote that than me. Very interesting. Really sad that girls feel the need to like, yeah, engage with negativity and see the worst in people and maybe believe what they read on these hate threads. And these people talking about me, they don't know anything about my life. They only get to see what I'm doing online. God, I am so shocking at doing my fringe straighteners. Look at that. I guess the 70s trend is kind of back in, so maybe maybe I can roll with it. Really exciting tonight because I'm going to one of my favourite kind of restaurants and stalls in Borough Market to experience their new burger menu, and I'm going to film a reel there. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. What is going on here? Some new in products have come through over the last couple of days. I thought I'd really quickly show you these. First up, Bare Minerals have launched some new lip glosses. 5 new shades here, and they come in such a nice wide variety of colours. They're really nice. The ones that I'm immediately drawn to, these two, Vision and Ambition. I'm going to try those. Apparently they are glossy, but they don't like stick to your hair. Also today, the 8th of July, is International Kissing Day, and Charlotte Tilbury have very kindly sent over some of their lip products. Charlotte Tilbury are actually my fave ever lipsticks. I love them so much, and they've sent one that I've never tried before. It's called In Love with Olivia, and it's one of their hot lips, and these ones are refillable, which is amazing. It's just a really pretty pink nude. Yeah, I'm gonna wear that one today. I'm wearing a little bit of lipstick now from Clinique, but I'm gonna try this one. I just love the smell. That is so nice. Such a nice pretty summer pink. Murad have sent 2 products. They have sent their SPF 50 City Skin Age Defense. This is such a great SPF if you're on the hunt for one. It's kind of pricey but very nice, and also SPF 50. Amazing. And then they've also got a new Rapid Dark Spot Correcting Serum, and this sounds really good. £75, quite pricey, but helps with pigmentation. So if you find you're getting a lot of kind of dark spots from aging, I know that you get them on the back of your hands a lot if you're out in the sun. I will try that out. And then also this new brand called Flamingo have sent a lovely box with some newspapers in. They've got a face wax kit. Can't remember the last time I waxed my face, probably about 20 years ago. A body wax kit, same with my legs. I can't remember the last time I waxed my legs. I'm going to try these though, it might be quite fun. They've got a razor in mint and gold, that looks kind of cute. Foaming shave gel. Oh, I'm going to put that straight in my shower because I love a foaming shower gel. Cool, that's that. Oh my god, my eyes are so sore. I haven't vlogged for most of the today because I got a really bad headache, migraine type. My eyes feel so sore still, look. But today we are going to Borough Market for the first time since the first pandemic, I think. Oh no, wait, we went there a little bit more recently, didn't we? But we're going to one of our favourite food stalls slash restaurants in Borough Market called Roast, because they've got a new burger menu out this summer and we're going to go and try it. I can't wait. We got to Borough Market a tiny bit early, so we just come a little walk around the block and found this really cute building. I have just never noticed this before, and that is what I love about London. You find these really cute little properties. You can definitely tell the football's been on this week. But it's so gorgeous. We are here, Roasters Burgers. Oh my god, I'm so excited. There's 4 to choose from. Oh, coleslaw. Yum. Also, didn't realise it would be seated here, and it is, which is such a nice surprise. You know it's going to be a good meal when they give you a bib. Oh yeah, I'm so nice. Oh my god, look. Oh, I got a chip beach. I'm going to have a look at this burger. Whoa. How freaking good does this look? That meal was delicious. The burger, you could tell the quality of the meat was so delicious, and it had a great amount of sauce. I had the meat one, which came with like burger sauce, onion, pickles. G had a fried chicken one, which was so good. It had a slice of, I think it was grilled pineapple, oh my god, and buttermilk chicken. Delicious. Oh my god, that's bright. Now we've got a gelato. I've got hazelnut ice cream, which is my fave. and we're just having a stroll. You can't see me. Having a stroll through Borough Market. Hey all, Saturday morning. Our Saturday morning routine is to clean the house. So I am up in the bedroom doing this floor. I'm going to change the bed, clean the bathrooms, do all the hoovering. She's doing downstairs. And we've also got a coffee on the way because we've run out of breakfast stuff. And I got really aggy because I'm due on my period about the fact we've run out of butter and I can't have any toast. So stupid. In case anyone's interested, because I spoke on my stories a couple of weeks ago about how I've been using silk pillowcases since I was about 15, 16. Yeah, from a really early age I was all about anti-wrinkles. That's so sad. It's, I guess, growing up with magazines like Heat and Look magazine. Oh my god, I loved that magazine. And Glamour and Sugar, and that's so sad that that was instilled in me from a young age. But my mum used to get me silk or like silky pillowcases from eBay on my birthday each year. Since then I've upgraded quite a bit. I've recently been using silk pillowcases. This is what one of them looks like. It's like so high quality, it feels so soft, and when I sleep on this, yeah, I just wake up with like no creases on my face. I sleep better knowing that I'm not like pulling my skin. Yeah, apparently it's good for your hair as well. Like it doesn't like damage your hair if you like roll about a lot in your sleep. So yeah, I've got two of these and I alternate them. I like sleeping with a lot of pillows, but I always make sure I've got a silk one in there, and it just comes so beautifully. They're quite expensive, these ones, but they are the softest I've tried, so I really like it. And then after I change my bed sheets, I always use Room Mist. This is my favourite. It's from Earl of East and it's called Smoke and Musk. I'm like halfway through this now. It's quite pricey, but it is my like dream smell. It is so, yeah, smoky and tobacco-y and just delicious. I've just refilled some of my reed diffusers with this one that I got in Sainsbury's. They sell like, yeah, reed diffuser refills. So I got a rhubarb and elderflower, and it smells really nice. A juicy rhubarb paired with fresh apple and a hint of vanilla. I've popped it in here, and this is going to go next to my bed. And then I've also just refilled this little one that I'm going to put downstairs. Makeup done. It's a lot later now. I've been cooking some dinner. A gusto dish. Smoky chorizo cod with crispy potatoes and aioli. Here we go. This looks so nice and colourful with some garlic aioli to drizzle on top. Okay, I didn't say this earlier, but tonight we are back at the theatre for the first time since pre-pandemic. We're going to the National Theatre in Waterloo to see a poem book by Dylan Thomas called Under Milkwood, and it's got Michael Sheen in. My parents are also going, but we're not sitting with them because everyone is spread out. It is so weird to be back here because the last time we were properly in Waterloo was literally the weekend before we went into like self-isolation. And it's just, yeah, it's really weird. This bar, the BFI Bar and Kitchen, is where G and I went on our second date before he took me to the Oxo Tower. Good memories in there. I was so nervous. It was good though, wasn't it?
Yeah, we had a little smooch.
We had a little kiss on the sofas in that bar. Okay guys, one of my favourite other places in London is the Book Market under Waterloo Bridge. This is, yeah, this is in my top 3 places to come to London if you're here. Look at this. They've got all their stalls open and you can just browse books, and the vibe is so good. I found so many books here that I absolutely love. Hey all, It's Monday, lunchtime, and I've got some soup for lunch with some toast. Tomato soup, and I'm gonna eat this whilst writing a plan for the week. Look at this. Oh my god, how is he sleeping like that? Hey, work is done. I haven't vlogged much at all today, but we're off to do food shop, and someone messaged me recently saying that they missed my food shop hauls. So I'm gonna do one today, you lucky lot. I am so fashionable, so it's really pissing it down. So I fashioned my face mask into a little hat. Look at my ears. We were gonna get a car wash, but there's no need now because it's really raining. Right, well that was miserable and my hair is soaking wet now. But we're back from the food shop and I'm gonna show you what we got. Rank. We've got a nice menu for the week. We've got beans on toast. We've got chicken in a bag and veg. We've got sea bass with capers and a spinach and caper thing, but I didn't get spinach because I couldn't find any. And then G's out one night, so I'm gonna have mackerel. And there was one more thing. Oh, we're gonna have like a roasted veg pasta. So we've got 2 veggie nights. We've got green beans, garlic pizza bread for our pasta night, salad, courgette. We have some roasted vegetables, like meats for sandwiches, cucumber, eggs, sweet peppers for all the roasting we're doing, some berries, chicken slices. This is our sea bass, chicken thighs. We're gonna have this tonight, so I'm gonna leave this out. And also there's enough here for lunch tomorrow as well. We've got a leek. I've got some turkey breasts after discovering how great turkey bagels are. Oh, I've got an oven pizza just in case. Some butter, onions, tomato, carrots, a rhubarb, yogurt, some feta, garlic and aubergine. That's all the cold stuff. I'm gonna put this away quickly and then show you all the non-cold stuff. Okay, the dry food, cupboard food is where it gets fun. Because we've got bagels, we've got bread, we've got McVitie's very important biscuits, indulgent chocolate cherry. Haven't tried these ones before, but very excited. Tin foil, peppers. I got one of my favourite bars of chocolate because I'm on my period and need cheering up. Lemon, shallots, potatoes. I will put those in the fridge. Olive oil. We've got some pasta, oats and honey cereal. Had to get some soy milk because my favourite oat milk was out of stock. It always is. And this is the chicken in a bag thing. It just makes your chicken really juicy. It's very, very delicious. Got some salted caramel Alpen bars. Haven't tried those before. And G got some Kind peanut butter dark chocolate gluten-free bars. Lemon and ginger tea. G likes dunking ginger biscuits in this tea. Couple of tins of mackerel fillets. I freaking love mackerel. Some beans and Vimto. Has that given you guys good inspo? Cook this chicken and roasted veg thing now and I can show what it looks like. Here is dinner. We've got some shallots in balsamic with green beans, some roasted veg and some chicken.
That's a huge portion, isn't it?
I am going to bed now guys, but I hope you enjoyed this vlog and I will see you next week for my 200th weekly vlog. Madness.